When we first got the shop, you remember how dim the lighting was in here? Well, got together with Hyperlite and they hooked it up. I forget how many lumens we got in here, over 150,000 lumens. But they reached out again and they said, hey, you need some lights for outside the shop, keep an eye on your equipment. I said, you know, that's not a bad idea. Solar powered lights. What do you guys say about that? You can put them anywhere. Let's see what kind of Christmas goodie we got in here. Oh yeah, 2 of them. You can buy these on Amazon. The Halo series. Serious bracketry. Some more bracketry. Bet you this sucker's bright. That's sweet. I did not know they came with a remote. Yep, self-tappers. Ain't going nowhere. Torquage. Kind of like that. It's kind of fun, sure. We got the option of brightness increase or dim it. Yeah, that'll be nice and easy to tie stuff down.